Hey guys, good evening and welcome to this short episode today. This is an emergency because the video I posted here on my channel over a year ago is actually getting into action now. So if you have followed me for a while, you know that I showed you this airdrop, which potentially could be bigger than the Arbitrum one for many reasons. That probably I will explore in another video, but in this short video today, I will show you how you can profit from this airdrop. And I will explain briefly why this is such a great opportunity for you, even if you did not farm the airdrop before. So let's move right into it. ZKSync, the company behind the developer team behind this chain, has confirmed that the mainnet deployment will happen on the 6th of June, which is tomorrow. So tomorrow, many people believe that the airdrop checker will go live and that those people who have been farming the airdrop, who have been active on the ZKSync network, will get rewarded now with some community airdrop tokens so that the whole network of ZKSync gets decentralized this way. So at the same time, we see in very serious sources here on X, for instance, the good sources claiming that they also know on the 13th of June, there will be the official TGE. I would take this with a grain of salt at the moment because this has not been confirmed from any party at all. It's just known that the mainnet deployment will happen tomorrow, but the 13th of June is something we're still waiting for. However, I think it's important to say at this point, after the deployment of the mainnet, it can only take a certain period of time. It will be within this month still that the airdrop is actually happening. And what does this mean? It means that the airdrop is happening and a lot of capital is moving into this new ecosystem, not only through the token that is created out of thin air, but also the whole ecosystem will flourish because there will be a big hype and capital will move from other layer 2 solutions or from the mainnet directly into ZKSync. This is something that I definitely say will happen because ZK technology is advanced over Arbitrum, it's advanced over Optimism, it's the superior tech that will probably stick with us here on this Ethereum rollup solutions. And yeah, what is happening usually when big coins are pumping, when the ecosystem tokens that are leading the ecosystems are pumping, like BNB did today, for instance. If you have missed it, BNB did a new all-time high today and reached $710. Thereby, it's one of the first currencies in this circle to reach new all-time highs after Bitcoin. It's obviously it's a nominal all-time high. It's not the real all-time high. In another video, I talked about this, that actually in purchasing power, that this is not exactly the purchasing power all-time high that a token has reached at this point. But yeah, this is BNB pumped a lot, and then we have Cake, which did the same basically, and then we had Y, for instance, like meme coins on the Binance BNB chain. So this meme coin, for instance, did almost 300% today in the light of the BNB pump. So usually when this main coin of the ecosystem is pumping, then other coins and especially the tiny tokens are doing the same on steroids. We saw this before on Arbitrum, we saw this on Phantom, we saw this on Solana. Everywhere these small coins are pumping much, much more than the big tokens do. Why is it that way? Because the big coins, those who lead the ecosystem, they're already having a big market cap and they are not moving as fast as smaller market cap coins do. So let's go back to our other stage here. To learn from this, what can you do? And to be prepared for tomorrow, you need to study the ZKSync ecosystem. And you can do this on CoinGecko, or I think also CoinMarketCap. You see here Koi, for instance. The Koi is one of the most successful, best dApps that are already existing on ZKSync at the moment. Definitely check out Koi or Hold Station, also perpetual exchange on ZKSync. And these projects that are not so high in market cap, you see 25, 37 million, that's nothing. They will then start to pump, and they will pump in a complete different dimension because they have a lot to catch up to these other tokens. Maverick, also big project backed by Binance. And yeah, you can also check out Overnight, interesting project, or the favorite meme coin of ZKSync, the Zeke coin. It's the coin representing the mascot of ZKSync. So if you're a meme coiner, you should definitely check out this one. ZK Swap, Sorrow is also a meme coin. So look at this list and get ready, because these tokens could pump much more than the actual ZKSync does. And this being said, I hope you all get the airdrop. Remember, nothing I am telling you in this video is ever financial advice. I hope you get the airdrop, and I wish you a wonderful evening, day, or whenever you watch that, and hope to see you very soon on my channel. If you didn't do yet, hit the subscribe button and check out the other videos I posted before. I wish you a wonderful night. All the best. Your Alex.